If your iPad suddenly shows iPad unavailable and won't let you enter the passcode, don't panic. This can happen after too many incorrect attempts, an iPadOS update, or a recent passcode change. Hey guys, welcome back to the Tenorshare channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix an unavailable iPad on iPadOS 27 and get your device working again. Let's get started. The first and easiest method is Apple's built-in Forgot Passcode option. If your iPad is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data and you're signed in to your Apple ID, keep entering the wrong passcode until the Forgot Passcode option appears on the screen. Tap it, then select Start iPad Reset. After that, enter your Apple ID password and follow the on-screen instructions. Your iPad will erase itself and restart. You can then set it up as a new device or restore your data from a backup. This is usually the fastest way to fix an unavailable iPad because you don't need a computer. There's also an important feature that many users don't know about. If you changed your passcode within the last 72 hours, iPadOS 27 may allow you to reset it using your previous passcode instead of immediately erasing the device. In some cases, you'll see an option to enter your old passcode and create a new one. This can help you regain access much faster and avoid a full reset. If you have another Apple device signed in to the same Apple ID, you may be able to erase the unavailable iPad remotely through the Find My app. Open the Find My app on your iPhone and go to the Devices tab. From the device list, select the locked iPad you want to unlock. Scroll down, choose Erase this device, and enter your Apple ID password to confirm the erase process. You can also select Remove this device. This step will restore your iPad to a brand new state after the reset and help prevent activation lock issues. Once both steps are complete, your iPad will restart as a fresh device. You can then set it up again or restore your data from a backup. If the previous methods don't work, recovery mode is Apple's most reliable way to restore a locked or unavailable iPad. For this method, you'll need a Mac or Windows PC. First, connect your iPad to the computer with a compatible cable. Next, put your iPad into recovery mode using the correct button combination for your specific iPad model. On the Restore Your iPad screen, select Recovery Mode to continue the setup. Once your iPad enters recovery mode, open Finder on a Mac or iTunes on a Windows PC. Choose Restore. Your computer will download the latest available firmware, erase the iPad, and reinstall iPadOS automatically. After initializing your device in recovery mode, you'll need to use your Apple ID to activate it. Recovery mode works well, but the button combinations, firmware downloads, and restore errors can sometimes make the process confusing. If Apple's official methods don't work or feel too complicated, you can use 4UKey as an alternative solution. Get it from the link in the description below the video. Start by connecting your unavailable iPad to the computer and launching 4UKey. You'll still need to place the iPad into recovery mode, but the software provides model-specific instructions and handles most of the remaining steps automatically, including downloading the firmware and restoring the device. Keep in mind that using 4UKey to unlock your iPad will also erase all data on the device. After the iPad is unlocked, you'll need to set it up again and restore your data from an available backup. And those are the 4 main ways to fix an iPad that shows iPad unavailable. Which method worked for your iPad? Let us know in the comments, along with your iPad model and what caused the iPad unavailable message to appear. For more iPadOS 27 tutorials and quick troubleshooting guides, subscribe to the Tenorshare channel and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.